You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all, correctly or maybe incorrectly. Well, there are different ways of pronouncing it. If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Nasiya is probably the most common pronunciation in English. Well, you let us know in the comments, how do you pronounce it? Nasiya or Nasiya? Nasiya? There's going to be different ways of pronouncing it. How do you pronounce it and where are you from? Let us know in the comments so we can all learn how to pronounce it better. Nasiya or Nasiya? Any other ways? Let us know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.